Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I have the iStim EV805. Now this is one of those TENS units. Now you may have seen some other ones on my channel here that I've reviewed. Now I typically don't do comparison type things. We look at products individually, see what their advantages are, what their disadvantages are, and just learn about great products. So here again is the iStim EV805. It's a 4-channel TENS unit. So check this out. This is the packaging it comes in. Now you may not be familiar with TENS and how it works. A lot of times you'll see this at chiropractors or sports medicine, and pretty much it's these pads that they put on you and electricity goes through it, and it feels like little pins and needles that they pulse into the muscles. Now I've had some fun. You can put it on your arm muscles and you can pulse it and you can make the muscles twitch and stuff. It's kind of fun, but it's really great if you have tense muscles or anything like that, lower back pain. You can use it for all different reasons. So the other big thing is if you have any heart issues, to make sure you consult a doctor first before doing this. Now I've used TENS units that range from somewhat powerful to just okay. But across the board, these are really great devices, even if you get one of the smaller ones to keep with you, if you just need it after a workout. But I am really interested to see what is in this one here. So let's go ahead, open it up, and take a look. I mean, this is a full-fledged plastic hard case box. Pretty cool. All right. So it actually did have this little wrapping around the handle here I took off previously to say like a tamper-proof type thing. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, so I'm gonna open this up right here on camera. Very cool. We got a bunch of different things here in this box. It is really stuffed full of all different types of things. So what is this? All right, we got some plastic baggies. That's kind of interesting, not really sure. My guess is this is probably to keep the pads in, to keep them clean, because you don't want dust or hair getting on them because they won't stick. Also in the box here we have our getting started guide. It's going to talk about everything you need to know about how to use it, the different settings, where you can use it, different muscles. Let's see, the placement guide. That's kind of cool. So it talks about all the different placements, and like I said, you can have some fun with this because you can. This one shows you can put it on your glutes and you actually make them jump. It's pretty cool. I have used these TENS unit, not this one yet, but other ones in the past, and totally love these. These are really great. Looks like another guide. I don't know if this is the same one. Let's see. Nope, it looks like maybe. So this is electrode placement guide for EMS. Not so sure what that is, and then there's also TENS. So I have to figure out what this EMS compared to the TENS is and what makes a difference. So here you go. We got self-adhesive electrodes. Now I can go ahead and I'll show you actually what's in this. So these are the different electrode pads that you can see right here. Now these are sticky, so you're going to want to put it back when you're done, back on this little non-stick and little carrier, I guess, whatever you want to call it, so it doesn't pick up like hair and things like that, because the more it picks up, it's not going to stick to you as much. And then the connectors right there. So this comes with 4 of them, and my guess is that you can always use just 2 if you need to, or all 4. So that is that set right there. And previously in the past, I mean, I've got 30 plus times that I could use it, depending on how much hair you have and things like that. But you could probably get even more, but then when you're done with that, throw them away and you can purchase some more. So here is another one. Talks about cleaning your skin because you want it to make a nice connection. Latex free. So here is the other one, self-adhesive electrodes. I'm not sure. I have a white one and a black one. Interesting. Let's see what the difference is here. All right, so they must do something a little differently, which I'll talk about when I find out more in the review video. It's kind of interesting. I've never seen this type of pad, only experienced ones like this here. So it's pretty interesting. Got a bunch of packs of these. What's this one? This feels like another type. Well, this is pretty cool. We got really everything. I can actually see the unit, how big that is. So this is pretty interesting as well. So in the past, the ones that I've seen are the ones that are half this size with the two different on one pad, but these are actually longer pads for different placements. So you're going to use those guides to figure out what pads you need. So that's really something else and interesting, because it's going to give you coverage for all the different types of muscles you may need. So also in the box here, let's see what we got. These look like the wires that are going to connect into the unit. So you got that. We have a set of 4 of them, because you can obviously use up to 4 based on what you need. So you can see all 4 of these. They look plenty long too. Then right here we have a wall charger. Looks like 5 volt most likely. Yes, 5 volt USB wall charger. So it's going to use a standard USB or micro USB. So if you were to lose this cable, don't worry too much. Or if you have another type of in-wall charger, you could always use that. And then check out this. Holy cow. So this thing, look at that. This reminds me, if I were to put something on as like old Game Boy, right? So I'm gonna kind of date myself right there, but that's really the size of it. It's almost like, if I were to play this, right? Well, it's a Game Boy. Not so much. You can control somebody by electrocuting them. Pretty cool. Maybe. Anyway, so we have a belt clip here on the back, as well as it says do not open where the battery compartment is. I'm guessing, I don't know why. I guess it's, oh, I know why. It's rechargeable, so they don't want you to open the rechargeable, but they must give you the option just in case this stops charging. You can probably get a replacement battery, because it makes it easy to access that. So it shows that we have channel 1, 2, 3, 4, so you should be able to control them separately. And then if I go ahead and just say take off the coating right there, you can see our different modes. And then we want to see what the iStim EV805 offers us right inside here. So let's see, how hard is that to open up? Pretty easy. Turn on the power, select the mode, select setting, increase the setting value. So just looking at this, it looks somewhat straightforward. See, anything that doesn't look, no, the buttons look pretty easy there. You can see right on the screen. So we have our different channel up and down. You can select your modes, your settings, increase the different values. So it looks pretty straightforward. Let's see if we get power. We do get power, so it is a little charge there right out of the box. My recommendation is, of course, you want to charge it fully before really using it, so I will do that. But then I will show you examples actually testing this out when I do the review and demo of the iStim EV805. So looking forward to checking this out. I don't know if because it's bigger, it's more powerful, anything like that compared to some of the other ones I've used. But we have some different things here. So it shows the different modes. You can kind of see there. We got TENS mode. It says NM, SD1, SD2, C, EMS. And then you can see all this different information here. So we're going to learn more again in the review. And then you can control the different output there for the different channels depending on what you want. P02, there should be like time settings and things like that. So pretty cool. That is what's in the box of the iStim EV805 TENS/EMS unit. So I'm going to charge this up completely and I'm going to test it out, and I will show you actually in my next video the demo and review of how the iStim EV805 TENS unit works and does it live up to everything that they say it does. So I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon.